Hello everyone, this is my friend I'm still building. This is how much project I have done. Also, this is gonna be published on my channel on 2025. Also, it is almost Chinese New Year, but just wait. Almost, but just wait. We still have a few more weeks to go before it's time for Chinese New Year. So wait. I know it's not Chinese New Year, but it may be finished to Chinese New Year or maybe less. Thank you everyone, guys, for us reaching the subscribers of 10 subscribers. Thank you everyone. Also, please get this video to have a lot of views. I'm not asking you to like, but if you like, thank you. Also, I'll tell you to subscribe, and comment, but not like. But if you like, thank you. Bye.